Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And let's see what we're cooking up today. Today we are going to make sushi in a pan, and we're going to make riceless sushi to save you on all sorts of carbs. I found some organic riced cauliflower in the freezer section at Trader Joe's that I let defrost. I put it in a bowl. And I also found some great cream cheese. It's already flavored with onion and chive at Trader Joe's. So instead of layering, we're going to mix the two together. And I found a really cool item. Sometimes what I do is I'll just walk through the grocery store and see what I can find, and that gives me my inspiration for Minden's to see what I can bring to you each week. This is just how I've been cooking for years. Quick and easy, and hardly any ingredients, hardly any mess. This is kind of fun, mixing this all together in the bowl. But it'll be easier to spread as our base. There it is, it's mixing up. And look what I found. I found these packages of seaweed sheets. And there's a ton in a package. You can snack on them, but you can also use it as your base. We're gonna make the sushi right here, and then we're gonna cut it up so it's kind of gonna be like sushi. So first we're gonna finish mixing this up. There you go. And if you've ever had like a salmon and cream cheese sushi roll, that's what this is gonna kind of be like. So you're just gonna layer some of these on the bottom of your casserole. Let's see what I'm doing right here. Just layering it up, and that's gonna give you your base. And then all we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of this cream cheese cauliflower rice mixture, put it right on top of the seaweed paper. Over so you can see what I'm doing. We're just gonna flatten it out right on top. Minden's are brought to you every Monday on YouTube, a different recipe. We've been doing this for a year now, so if you backlog on my website, which is www.mindens.com, you'll get all the nutritional information and the cost per serving and see all of our back recipes. Please subscribe on YouTube, it's free. You can check out our Instagram, which is YouTube, which is Minden's, where we will show you a finished picture of the product each week. As you see, this is unedited, unscripted, so pardon me if I mess up a word or two. It's shot live, and then we bring it to you each week. So there you go. Just gonna spread this. Can't wait to see how this is gonna taste. And it's gonna be low calorie because we're using cauliflower rice. This is pastrami style smoked salmon, delicious. And we're just gonna put this right on top. So it's a sushi. I like to be creative with dinner. Dinner should be fun. Dinner shouldn't take a ton of time. I always come up with new recipes. I'm not reinventing the wheel. If you look back at some of my recipes, I'll do eggplant parmesan in 2 minutes. Could I make it in hours? Sure, but why? Same with sushi. Could you make it in hours and roll it out? But why? When you have this delicious low-cal option at your fingertips. And look, you even have some lox left for your bagel. There you have it. Sushi in a pan in under 3 minutes. Thank you for watching Minden's. Stay tuned next week. We will bring you another nutritious, delicious meal that we can cook together in minutes.